If you want to set up screen lock on a Realme GT 7T, all you have to do is open settings first. After that, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you should be able to find security and privacy. Now we're gonna find device unlock in this place and then we can go to screen lock. Here we can find 3 password types that we can use, so either numeric, alphanumeric, and pattern. So let's say I'm gonna choose numeric. And of course, we have this important information that we should keep our password in mind, because if we forget it, then of course we won't be able to access our phone again. Before I proceed, by default, if you choose this type of password, you have to enter 6 digits. However, if you tap on use a different password type, you can actually switch to 4 digits instead. So you can enter your password over here. If it's a common password or easy to guess, then you will see this information, but you can press use to use it anyway if you want to. However, of course, it is not recommended to do that. Once you set it up, you might see this information where you will be asked if you want to turn on fingerprint unlock. So if you want to scan your finger, then of course you can proceed and press enable, otherwise you can just press cancel. And that's pretty much it. You have set up the password for your Realme GT 7T. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.